trail that I went on this morning that I thought led to other trails was only 1.25 miles long. After backtracking, they only gave me 2.5 miles. I went 10 miles today. So, listening to the mayor and his wife last night, they suggested we go visit Bald Knob Cross. So Bald Knob is some trails through this system here. There's a lot of trails actually, but the cross is at the top of the hill, and this is the view from where the cross is. This is utterly majestic. You can see for miles and miles and miles. It's crazy. And that's the Welcome Center. I haven't been in there yet. According to my Garmin, I have it paused. I'm at 4.83 miles right now, making it up here, and so that will give me my 10 miles once I head back, if you include my small trail that I did. But I want to go see what these signs say, and most of the way up here was all uphill, so